language that I want to learn. In this case, I'm picking Japanese. So I'm in the Japanese page, and now I have to decide how uh, I want to practice, basically. And I'm just giving you a shortcut. At times, I recommend if you really don't have a clear, like you want to do the alphabet numbers, or you just want a quick overview to practice, you can go in and do a listen and enjoy game or learn step by step, and that will take you through different aspects of the language, of, in this case, Japanese, that you can follow. If you have a more targeted thing you're trying to practice, for example, hiragana, I'm going to use Japanese hiragana as an example. I am going to look for instruction games, skill games, or ability test. I could go in and study, but let's say I don't feel like studying now, I want to just practice something. So my immediate inclination, my first thought is I'm really going to go to skill games. Instruction games give me a step by step, a slower pace, but I feel pretty good about wanting to practice hiragana. I've practiced it before, and I want to go right to that. So I would scroll to hiragana, and excuse me. From here, I have different skill games I could play, but I'm just going to do the practice game, the first one. Alright, I can do matching, there's a memory game, a conversation game, reading game, memory game, word action game, word detective, speed game, guess the pattern game. Right, it gives me different options, but let's do a practice game. Okay, now this brings up a quick preview of hiragana, and I can go through and quickly review. I'm familiar with this, so I'm not going to take too long looking at this. I believe in just going through to see what the game has to offer. Now there are different sound options. Background music, play some music in the background while you're playing the game. All sounds may include some native sounds of the language along with the music. I'm going to go into silent mode and press the start. Okay, so the first thing on this one, I have to match one to one, which one matches which one. And if I'm brand new to this, yeah, I won't know. I will have a feeling like I really don't know what these things are, but there's hints throughout. The idea is to help you to start using the language, even with basic matching. And then there's flashcards beneath which you can refer to, which will help you in cases where you don't know what to match. Let's go ahead. I see ya ki hiragana. Yeah, I know some of this. I think this is ro hiragana, right? Chi e he he. I think this is a here. Oh, is that say oh, this is na. Oh no, this is A. A is here. U. Bay. See, if I was unsure, I would scroll down and get a reference to it. I thought this was there. This is not. But I've done some of this before. Zu, se, su, shi, ko. Okay, now, okay, keep going. I say you, zu, na, o. Now, memory matching. Su, shi, yo, chi, yo, so yo, yo, ra, ra. That's, I think that's pu. Say, na. Oh, this is na, hiragana. Go, chi. Let's see. Oh, ah. That's ahu. Su. Thought I saw that somewhere. Say was over here. Say. Ball. Now the goal of, like in this case with hiragana, I'm practicing matching, is really the end goal is to feel good about me learning the language, but at the same time, I'm preparing myself to be able to take on and read actual hiragana. Right? It's so this is small and call. That was a ooh, that's ooh. She was she. You call you call chi. Okay. Who? Oh, that's who, not poo. Okay, and chi. Okay, now I got another call, another one. Ya. Ze. Ga. So. He. Oh boy. This, I just saw a guy somewhere. This tests your memory and your knowledge of the language. I can't remember what I'm seeing, but this is part of the exercise. The exercise is not only can you see it quickly, say, oh yeah, this is that, but you need to remember. Yeah. And that helps your brain exercise. Ne. So. No, it's up here somewhere. I thought, yeah, no. Hey, I know that's from des. There, that was over here. Ze, so, wait a second. Ro, you, wa, ga, ko, oh, gi. Oh, that was ze. Ze is here instead of se. It has the two. Okay. Gi, ko, so, ga. Hold on. So, ko is here. Okay, ga. Choose each answer in the order below. Alright, so now, and the feeling I have here, I just took a deep breath because I'm actually exercising my knowledge of this, of the alphabet, hiragana in Japanese. And it language, it takes time. It takes practice. It takes practice. So I see this. I know this is yu, zu, na, o, u, chi, se. That's because I've practiced it. And how you choose to practice is really a personal. This is you, but maybe that's a smaller one. Maybe that's a small one. Yu, zu, na, o. That looks like a small o. You. How you choose to practice it's really your choice. Say, the goal is to make sure you know it. Make sure we really are confident we know what we're doing. Oh, that's match at all. I think that's raw. Yeah, raw. Hey, maybe. Hey, okay. Oh no, that's not. Oh, this is a little bit different. What's that? Oh, here. And key. Okay, so I can keep going. Okay, I'm going to stop there. But that was a practice game. And when I finish, I hit complete, and then it will give me a review of the ones I got that I should follow up and study. I got these wrong, I think, during the practice game. And I can try again, or I can go and pick out one of the other Hiragana specific things. I can go to test games, quick list topics, study resources, or I can go to Kabuma, Ebnamar, and in theory, you get there and we'll have some real-time Japanese or resources I can use to go get deeper into Hiragana, okay, for studying. Alright, so that's it for now. Practice game. Okay, bye-bye.